Hi, it's John here from yournetbuddy.com, and today I just wanted to go over the importance of having thumbnails on your YouTube videos. As you know, if you go to YouTube here, all these have got thumbnails attached to them, and as people are scrolling down and looking at these, it's the thumbnails that make people stop. And the best thing to do is to get something that's visually captivating to make them stop in their tracks and take another look and then click on your video. It's one of the best ways to get them to stand out. Otherwise, it's just a mass of videos. So I find that many people start off by using things like Canva to make these videos, because you basically need a 1280 by 720 resolution, 1280 by 720. Then when it's shrunk down, it doesn't matter what it's being displayed on, whether it's an iPhone or a computer, it still looks good. So that's 1280 by 720. But I find one of the easiest ways to actually make these thumbnails is by using Thumbnail Blaster. Now, Thumbnail Blaster, I've actually already logged into my account here. It's very easy to use. The first thing you do, because normally when you create a thumbnail, you have to create it, download it to your computer, and then you have to go into your YouTube account and upload the thumbnail onto the video that you want it on. But it's different with Thumbnail Blaster, because instead the first thing you do when you join it is you go to your YouTube accounts, which are here. So just click on YouTube accounts, and you can actually add. I've already added my YouTube account here, or you can add. In fact, you can add more than one. So I could click on this blue one here and actually add a YouTube account. You just click on it. It'll actually bring up all the different accounts you have. You click on the one that you want to add, and it brings it in. And so I'll just close that down for a moment, because the beauty of that, once you've got it, you can go to the thumbnail creator, and it actually brings in all the videos that you've already created on that channel. Here we go. So you can scroll down your list of videos that you've got here and decide which ones you want to add a better thumbnail to. Because as you can see here, if you haven't actually added a thumbnail, it will just choose something from the video that you've already created, and it doesn't look as attractive as something with a decent thumbnail on it. So if I was to choose this one, for example, so just click on the one that you want to add the thumbnail to, and it says here success, you've selected one. So then you go to the top, and then you click on next step. You can see the video here that it's actually going to put the thumbnail on. So just go next step, and then you can choose one of these suggested ones, or you can cancel that and choose it yourself. Here you've got predefined ones. If you're a part of the Pro Club, then you get extra ones here, or you've got your own templates that you've used before that you can reuse again and just make some changes to it. So I'm going to take off these predefined ones, just unclick it, take off the club ones, and then you're just left with your own thumbnails that you've used before. So if I wanted to use this one here, I can either preview it or just use the template. So I'm going to use the template. And it loads it, and then anything that you click on, you can actually move and change. So you could change this picture here, you change the words here, or the banner behind it. Just click on it and make the adjustments. So if you wanted, for example, to bring in a different picture to this one, you just click on it here, then click on change image. So you can either choose an image that you've already got uploaded, or you can upload a fresh one. Let me just see. There is a website where you can actually remove the backgrounds of a picture, because then when you upload it to your thumbnail, it's got no background. I can quickly show you how to do that. If you go to remove .bg, and you can upload a picture here. It's free to use. If I go into my demo folder here and say I wanted to upload one of these pictures here. Right, I do this one. So just click on open and it instantly removes the background. So then you just download it, save the file. Here's the download, and I can look at it here. It's called it that. So I'm just going to put it in my demo folder just to make it easier for me to find. Right, let's go back into here. Right, so we'll go back to Thumbnail Blaster. We've clicked on this picture here and we're going to change the image. So I'm now going to upload that picture that I've just removed the background from, which is in my demo folder. There it is. Open. It's uploaded it. Here it is. So now I can click on this one and just press delete and put this one there instead. Just line it up, resize it, and you can reposition it as well. At the moment it's too far forward. The words are actually going behind here. So if I scroll down on here, maybe I should click on one of these and bring that forward instead. So first I'll do the black banner and I'll bring that forward. That's it. Get the words here behind it and bring that forward. Put it back there. Just realign them again. That's it. So on all of these you can actually change the words. You just click on it, double click it to put the cursor in there, and then you can just type in the new title. It's best to have as few words as possible because on some devices it's going to end up very small. So they do recommend that you really don't have more than about 4 or 5 words and keep them as large as possible to make them easily readable. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as it is for the demo purpose. I'm going to go to save and continue. And so it's now ready. I can actually just publish it. And if I click on publish now, it will actually take it and it will upload it straight to the YouTube channel. Do I want to put this on there? I haven't. It's not a proper thumbnail. I've not got the right words on it for that, so I'm not going to do it now. But if I just click on publish, it will instantly add it to the video that we selected earlier. The other thing you can do with Thumbnail Blaster is a split test. So you can click on split test here and it will bring up this page, and then you can click on new split test, and then it's going to ask you which YouTube channel you want to use. So I'll choose the only one that I've got in there. And then you can choose which video you want it to go on to. I could choose this one here. And then we can change the thumbnail. So I'm going to choose this one here. And click open. Namecheap versus GoDaddy. I'm going to change this to that one there, which is just the opposite way around, GoDaddy versus Namecheap. And it will run this for 72 hours or 3 days, and it will change it every hour. It will switch between each of the thumbnails, and it will record how many clicks or how many views each one gets. And then at the end, this will pick the winning thumbnail. So all you need to do now is click Add Split Test, and it will add both of these thumbnails to the video that you've got listed, which I'm not going to do now because these are not related to this video that I've got selected at the moment in my channel. But hopefully that gives you an idea how to do it. It's a very useful feature because the thumbnail can actually make a tremendous difference. Even though it's the same video behind it, The thumbnail can make all the difference as to whether you get 100 clicks or whether you get 1,000 clicks. The other things you can do with the thumbnail blaster is you can actually resize the templates so that you're not just limited to using it as a thumbnail creator, but you can use it for creating all sorts of images that you can put on Facebook, Instagram, use it for Facebook ads. You can make pictures to display anywhere, not just as thumbnails. So anyway, I hope you've found that useful. I find it much more user-friendly than using Canva. It's less fiddly because now I only have to click on publish and it will instantly publish that. It will save a copy of it so that I can then use it in the future and just make a few changes to it. But it comes with quite a selection of different templates. And then you can just take those templates and make them your own, change all the colors, change the text. And yeah, I would highly recommend this one. It's quite a good one. Well, thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.